Hello, I'm Mark Matousek, and I'd like to invite you to my free online workshop on March 31st at 6:30 p.m. Eastern. It's called The Alchemy of Expressive Writing, How Self-Inquiry Heals the Mind and Body. During this 90-minute event, I'm going to be explaining how the ancient art of self-inquiry works and why it has been used for thousands of years as a path for self-knowledge, for bringing us closer to our spiritual core, for awakening our deep creativity, and for dispelling the narratives that interfere with our well-being and our awakening and unfoldment as individuals. We're going to be doing a couple of writing exercises together. I'll be explaining the Writing to Awaken technique that helps us use writing as a path of self-inquiry, and then we'll have questions and answers at the end. So I hope very much you'll be able to join me. I look forward to seeing you then. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.